Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, keyless entry, trip computer, electronic stability control, clock, MP3 player, fog lights, tachometer, outside temperature gauge. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.